The other day I got a question about a radio signal in a E46. Now, I installed an aftermarket unit in my E46, and actually I didn't really think about it, but my radio signal really doesn't work well at all. So pretty much no matter what channel I put it on, there's nothing. Oh, there's a little bit right there. This channel should come in and it doesn't. So it looks like I get about 3 channels total. So let's see if I can make it better. On the back of the radio, this is my antenna wire that goes all the way to the trunk. Now, because of the way this E46 is set up, everything was in the trunk. There was an amp and all the radio controls, or the radio unit itself was in the trunk, but just in the dash was just the display. So to test this, I picked up one of these antennas that can plug into the back of the radio. Sticky tape on the back side, and you can just attach that to the window. So we'll give that a try. Disconnected the extension and put the new one in. Just to try this out, we'll just place this near the windshield and give it a try. All right, so that was a little bit of a bust. That didn't really work out for me. This radio station still doesn't come in. So there's 1, 2, there's 3. So that didn't really work out for me. So now I'm going to try it in the trunk. Now here's where the extension goes to. And when I installed the radio, I got this harness that plugs into the antenna, the factory antenna wire that goes right there. Disconnected that extension right there, put our new antenna right there, and I'm just gonna place it right there and we'll give it a try. So that didn't work so well. So what I'm gonna do is try this antenna in my Pathfinder. I eliminated the antenna on this because I was just using Bluetooth and didn't care. So let's give this a try in here. I already pulled this out. So with that plugged in and that's sitting right there on the dash, we'll give it a try, see how many stations we get. So that's pretty much it. It's not very many. Nope, can't get that one here. So even hooking this up with the factory radio, I'm only getting 2 stations. So it doesn't seem like it has anything to do with the radio. Maybe I just didn't get a powerful enough antenna. All right, so that was kind of a bust. Don't buy this Bingfu antenna. I don't recommend it. This is my first review that's kind of a negative review. I'm going to keep working on this, trying to get my radio signal better. Obviously, this antenna didn't do it for me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out some of my other videos. I do a lot of automotive and mechanical type stuff. Make sure you subscribe. That helps me out a lot. Thanks.